Okay, so in this example we're going to see the left outer join. So we have two tables here with ID, name and department. The third option here is missing the department. The table 1, like the input file 1 is missing the department. So what we are going to do is we have another input that has ID and department only. In that one, the third option is department. We have the department technical for the ID number 03, and on the first input we don't have the department for the ID number 03. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the left outer join. We're going to insert the data into like from 1.txt to table 1 and 2.txt to table 2, and then we're going to do a left outer join. Alright, so let's do it. So we're going to do create a table. So I'm just going to type in create table if not exist, table 1, user ID, integer, name string, and department string. Okay, row format delimited, string fields terminated by comma, because we have comma there on the input file, and then lines terminated by /n. So it's going to store all the data from 1.txt to table 1, 2.txt to table 2, and then we're going to do a left outer join. You can see how many tables I have in the default database. Okay, so the table is created, show tables, table 1 is there. Alright, now we're going to create another table. I'm sort of writing that into the text file as well, so that it will be easier for whoever is reading the video, like whoever doesn't have the speaker. So okay, I'm just going to load the data to my table 1. So load data local inpath, home hadoop work, hive inputs, that's my path, and then I'm gonna go to 1.txt, that's it, into table 1. Alright, all the data is there. We can select star and see the data from the table 1. Okay, so we have a department missing on the table 1, but we have a department ID on the 2.txt, so we can get the data out of that. So let's create the table 2 and then load the data into the table 2. Alright, so let's go back to our terminal, maximize this. Oh, it's the other one, the hive one. Okay, yeah, create table, ID integer and department string, because we only have two fields here, right? Row format delimited and fields terminated by comma, lines terminated by /n. Alright, okay, that's it. So it will create my table 2. Once the table is created, semicolon, yeah. Okay, the table is created. Show tables, I have two tables here. Alright, I'm just gonna I'm just gonna load everything now from the 2.txt to table 2. Yeah, load data from 2.txt into the table 2. So let's do that. It's gonna say load data local inpath, home hadoop work, hive inputs, 2.txt into table 2. All right, we're going to select star from table 2, and we can see all the data, everything is there. So we have the third department here, like the department for the user ID 03, we have that, and for 03 we don't have it in the table 1, we have it in the table 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to merge those two tables, and we're going to merge them on the ID field and get the department ID from the table 2. So for that we're going to do a left outer join to get the department ID. Okay, yeah, so the left outer join can be written in two types. From table 1 you can start it from from word, like from table 1 T, left outer join table 2 U on T dot ID. So from table 1 we're going to join it using ID, and on the table 2 U dot ID. So we're going to take the ID from table 2 as well, and you're going to select ID from table 1, name from table 1, and U dot DEPT, so department from the table 2, and you can let this query run. Might take a while because it's just a 4 GB RAM to this Linux machine. It's a virtual machine, so it takes a time. Yes, so you can see that this script will only display the result. You cannot store that result unless you mention that you want to store that into another table. So we have a table 3 already created, so we're going to store the result into the table 3. So all you have to do is overwrite into the table 3 and it will be stored. So the script is already running, and it's a bit slower because of this query usually takes time. Okay, so it's running. Let's see what happens. It's still taking time. Okay, so we have the output here, and we have the technical department for Suresh, user ID 03. So this is not this is just a display result. We want to store this result somewhere, so we can store that to table 3. So each time we want to display the result, we can call that function and display the result. So what we are going to do is we're going to do select star. There are no inputs, you can see here, and we're going to store everything from our query to table 3. Okay, so we're going to run the query from table 1 T, left outer join table 2 U on T dot ID. Let me maximize this. T dot ID equals U dot ID, and if this condition is satisfied, then I'm going to insert all the data into table 3. So insert overwrite table 3. What I'm going to overwrite ID, name from table 1 and department from table 2. So I'm going to say select T ID, T name, and U DEPT. Okay, now this is going to run the query. So it usually takes time, but that's okay. I just want to let you know that we also have some other videos in our channel, How to Hadoop, regarding setting up Hadoop node. Okay, this is done. Select star from table 3. There you go. You have all the data in the table 3. So what was missing, you got it from the left outer join. So this is the functionality of left outer join. If you are missing something, you can join two tables. This is only a left outer join. You can there is a full join as well, so that yeah, there is a right outer join as well and a full join as well, so you can perform that. And yeah, we have the result in the table 3. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this is helpful for you, comment and let me know if there is any issues. Thank you so much. Bye.